Charging up a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV, is as simple as recharging your smartphone. Just connect the charger to a wall plug in your garage or carport. Open the charger cover on your vehicle, plug the charger into your charging port, and your car will do the rest. Your car can even detect if the plug is still attached, so you can't drive off without unplugging your car. If you charge your car once a day, the charger should last for decades without issues. Level 1 charging uses a standard 110-volt wall plug, while Level 2 utilizes a 240-volt outlet. Many plug-in hybrid owners will install a Level 2 charger in their garage. Plus, you can use Level 2 charging at public charging stations. The difference in charging time is significant. Level 1 charging takes overnight, while Level 2 charging takes about 3 hours to fully charge a plug-in hybrid. Most Americans travel less than 40 miles per day. That means that on average, you will use very little gasoline in your plug-in hybrid. For longer trips, the car can seamlessly switch between electric and gasoline power as needed. So, with a plug-in hybrid, you get to enjoy convenience and fuel savings while contributing to a greener world by reducing your carbon footprint. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get recommendations for other useful content on green cars and how they can work best for you.